Okay, so we'll start with here. Okay, okay, make sure that this window will come. Mm. So I'm putting in a full screen mode. So like this, so it is a little bit visible, or maybe if you want, 1 second, I will put it in a zoom. So magnifier. Okay, sorry, magnifier. When you are working with Windows 10, um, okay, you may get confused between your Windows 10 and virtual machine. So be careful with the mouse clicking. Okay, so I think it is visible to this window. So here, if you see long ways to install, time and currency format and keyboard and input. This is in a pre-installation steps. This is the first step. First step is select your language, time zone, and keyboard. So it is not showing more options, but I am going to this one, time and currency format. So scroll up. So English India. Select English India. We are in India. Our time zone is in India, right? So English India. You can find here. Okay. Only scroll. Don't select I kind of stuff. It won't work. When you select English India, automatically keyboard format is also there. Language is always English United States, but time zone is in India. If you forget, no problem. Next time after installation only we can able to change it. Okay, so change your current time and currency format in English India. Okay, that's it only. So you don't need to change these things and these things. So don't touch the remaining things. Only go to time and currency format, put English India. Okay, next. So here in this window you can see install now and as well as a repair your computer. So repair your computer means already installed, but there is a problem inside of your PC. Then you can click on repair your computer. Okay. Um, Now we are going to install this is a fresh PC. Install now. So you can see Windows is starting. So we need a little bit patience here. So then because installation is because it's a GUI mod first of all, and we will get this. I downloaded it separately from different resources, so then it is showing three options. In general, it won't show three options if you are download from main Microsoft website. It only shows only one option. It is showing three options. Look at these three options, guys. One is STD, another one is KMS, another OM. Only for this image only. So if image changes, it will give a different part. What is OEM? So first we'll go to OEM. It is a original equipment kind of stuff. Okay. Original equipment manufacturing kind of stuff will automatically activate if installation same version on. Like we buy a laptop with operating system, right? We buy a laptop with Windows 10. It means it's a OEM package. So you go to the market and you buy a laptop with with Windows 10. So it means Windows 10 is a pre-installed in the machine. It is a OEM package. Again, I'm repeating. If you buy a laptop or a desktop with Windows 10, it means the Windows 10 is a OEM type of package. So what is OEM? The license key is activated directly in the PC. So we don't get any kind of extra license key. The license key is works with only that hardware only. Okay, and the same version only it will work. Okay, that is the OEM. My laptop came with a Windows 8 OEM, and I upgraded to Windows 10 because free upgradation is available. Okay, but it is originally with the Windows 8 uh, direct license only, so it's a hardware license only. If you change the hardware, your license will be gone. You change the hardware, like you change motherboard, your license will be gone. So that is a OEM. So OEM means whenever you buy a new laptop or desktop, with operating system. So they installed with the OEM package only. So it is bind with your hardware and license keys. STD is a standard installation, means normal installation only. So you install the operating system, then you have to insert the key. So you have to buy the key, or maybe with the CD you will may get a key. So you have to insert the key after installation. Okay, you should insert the key. Once you insert the key, it will get activated. And this is the KMS. KMS is a key management system. So it will be activated by server. It will be activated by server in our just this is only for practicing purpose, not for sales purpose, right? So you should not share this image to your friends. Understand? Don't share your this to friends, or people who are working in companies and organizations. Don't share this image. Okay, don't tell this is the KMS part and all, because it's a not completely legal part. Okay, so this is for only for practice purpose only, not for distribution purpose. Select KMS. Select KMS, and it is automatically activate your license. Okay, this is for only for virtual machine purpose only. Don't try to install in machines. Like if you have your personal desktop and you want to do it for your temporary purpose, you can do it. Okay, so we are recording mode also, that's why I'm telling directly. So select KMS, because our practical need activated product. Okay, so I selected KMS. Next, and accept the license. This is the evaluation ID. No, no, not evaluation, EULA ID. So it will tell what is the edition of this operating system. Okay, this is the licensing terms. Accept the license. Next, there is two things are there. If possible, take a snapshot of it. It means take a picture of this one. One second. I'll put a full screen mode. I will put it in a here in this mode. I'm going to a snipping tool. Okay, good. So I take a snapshot, and I want only this window. Okay. Otherwise, you can take a photo also. No problem. If you have a mobile phone in a hand, you can take a photo. Only this window. You can take a like this also. This part is important. Okay, two options, because it's one question. Okay. So what it is? If I zoom, then you can see what it is. There is a two options. One is custom, another one is a upgrade. When we use a custom, when we are installing fresh installation. So when you install fresh, okay, yeah, a green is okay. So when you're installing fresh, means new PC. So then we select custom. Now we are using new PC. So completely no voice in our virtual machine. It is means custom. Or you want to replace operating system, means you are removing your old operating system and you are installing new one. So when you reinstall operating system, okay, reinstall or remove old one and put a new one. So then we use a custom. Upgradation means already OS is there. Already OS is there. For example, Windows 8 is there, or maybe Windows 7 is there. Okay, so then you want to upgrade to Windows 10. Now we can use this option. Okay, so what is the difference between this one and this one? If you select the custom, it remove all the voice operating system related things. It remove your data. It remove your applications. Okay, it remove your data. It remove your applications in the drive. Okay, okay. If you select C drive, that. Okay, so it will remove your drive partitions. If you want to make changes to partitions and drive, start computerizing installation disk. We recommended backing up your files before you continue. file setting and application won't move to Windows. It stays in your world window, or maybe it will be removed. Upgrade means file setting and applications are moved to Windows with this option. This option is only available when supported version of Windows is already running on computer. Supported version is there, then only it will do. For example, if you have Windows XP, it may not work because Windows XP requirements and settings are different. And we can do only with 32-bit only, and minimum disk space is available to do it. Okay. Zoom out. Okay. So this is a one. So just read it when you are installing also. So select custom. Select custom. What is custom? For fresh installation, because we don't have any other installation, fresh installation. And it is showing a hard disk,
Sir,
60 GB. Yeah.
sir, we want to install that KMS Windows now because my net problem is there, so I just skip that one.
Okay, KMS, KMS.
KMS, okay, fine, sir. Thank you.
KMS custom and this one. Okay. So this is the last step in a pre-installation step. Okay. So what we have to do, new, click on new, just click apply. Okay. Click OK. Have you seen this recovery, system, and reserved and primary? You will get 4 partitions because you are using a GPT type of disk. Okay, if in case you want to verify that one, you can verify. Um, Shift F10. If you press Shift F10, a window will open like this. Okay, window is open like this. Put a disk part command. Put a disk part command. I'm more zoom in. So this is a disk part command. Now you are in a disk part. I put a command called list disk. You can see under GPT there is a star mark, means you are in a GPT partition. Okay, because UEFI by default it is a GPT. Okay, because it's a UEFI, it is a by default it is GPT. If you are select a BIOS, by default it is MBR, so you won't get that many partitions also. Then exit, so we'll exit this thing. Okay, now select the last one only. Select the last one, the partition 4. These are reserved partitions, so the recovery purpose, system purpose and all. So if you are in a BIOS, you will get only 2 partitions. If you are in UEFI, you will get 4 partitions. Okay, and next, click on next. So then the installation, pre-installation steps are completed. What are the pre-installation steps? Select language, time, keyboard. um, Next, install now. Select your operating system. If it is asked license key, um, license agreement, custom, disk partition. That's it. That's the pre-installation steps. Now it is getting installation, so it will take time. Okay, so what I have to do, so I am pausing my window. Okay, actually your DVD is around 4 GB size. It is extract all the files and copy into your drive. So once it is completely copied, then it is installed. Okay, and it will finish. If you want to see, you can also see from there. I'm going to shift F10. Function key is also there. Go to C drive, DAR. Nothing is there. It's a C drive is a recovery rig. C, D, E. 3 partitions are there. E, F. Try F. So click on this one. Yeah, this is our actual C drive. Okay, currently the once after installation, this is become C drive. If you see program files, program file x86, user, Windows, prefer logs, and dollar Windows. It means it's a temporary files. Once after installation completed, everything will be in your Windows only. Okay, if you want to see like a dir Windows, so these are all Windows files. You can see these are all Windows files. Okay, like you can do it. You can go to task manager also. Task mgr. It will open task manager. You can see the task manager, what is going on. The process is going on like application, administrator, setup, process, services, performance, and networking. This is the world style window it's showing. Okay, if whenever you click Windows setup is running actually. Right click, go to process. Right click, go to process. Then you can see setup.exe. Right click, set priority to real time or high priority. Okay, so you can use real time also. Then change priority. View, update speed, high. Then close it, exit from the window. Okay, so faster it will do it. So even actually it is what happened because we are only doing one process only. That is a high priority processor. We don't have any extra process here. Okay, this step is not required. This is for only for checking purpose only. Of course, we are in a 84 percentage. After reboot, it may take time. So that is you have to check it. Okay, installation is quite easy. Just it need time. That's it. So when it is extraction completed, getting file ready for installation means it is extracting all the files in the DVD to your C drive. After that one, it will install. Installation is simple, completed. Now I am zoom out. Sitting arrangement is not. Mhm. Now it will reboot automatically. So pre-installation is completed. So if you click on restart now, or maybe it will restart automatically. You just leave it like that. Okay, this part will take time. Let it do its work. Let it go. Let it. It will take time. The installation, updation, and all kind of stuff. So meanwhile, I want to say a few things like this one. Yeah. So background something is going on like this. Post step security update something will go right? Because it's the image is doing that one. Okay. What is pre-installation steps again? Okay. So when we start, the starting itself, you have to specify language. Okay. Next language, you have to time zone and keyboard. Okay. So first one is minimum requirements. First question, minimum requirement. Second question is a pre-installation step. First, we have to select a time zone, language, time zone, keyboard. Okay. Next, install now button. Okay. Install or install now. We will put install. Okay. Install. Once you click on install, then it will ask for select your operating system. Okay, so we are selected KMS. Don't tell in interview. Okay, so set say select OS. Select OS based on your machine and what type of OS you are selecting, like 32-bit, 64. Maybe the image having a 32-bit 64 combination, 34 64-bit, or maybe home and professional or enterprise. Okay, home, professional, enterprise, or maybe like a 64 32-bit, or maybe a OEM or STD, like that. Okay, select your proper operating system. Okay, you enter license key only if it is asking. Okay, if required, otherwise you can put if required. Okay, if required or if it is asking. Okay. It's still going on, so no one. Next, accept. This is optional, completely optional. Put a hashtag on complete option. Accept license. Accept the license. Okay, so there is a check mark in it. I accept the license. Check mark. Next, select custom. Select custom. This one. Select custom because fresh installation. If it is a fresh or replace existing OS, then it is we are selecting custom. Any changes occur? Now it is working going on. Okay. Yeah, it is done. Guys, when you will get this one once it is rebooted, get going fast. Get going fast. Then use express settings. It means default settings will be selected here. So I select use express settings. Then it is showing hi, bye kind of stuff. We are happy you are here. this kind of one by one. So we'll continue. So okay, getting critical updates. So let's see this thing. Okay. And disk partition. Okay, disk partition. So partition the disk. How to partition the disk? Okay, first click on the disk. Okay, because we are using custom, so that's fresh installation only we are talking. If it is upgradation, then it is upgradation related things you have to talk. So click on the disk, new, click on the disk, then click on new, then apply, then next. Okay, that's it. This is the pre-installation step. Let it install. After post installation, use express settings. You have to choose that one and let it install. Okay, let it take this one. So give some time. So then it will be installed. Once it is done, it is asking for a user creation. Okay, it is asked for a user. You have to create user, and if you want to give password, you can give the password. The first user is a automatically an administrator. First user in a Windows 10 automatically a administrator. Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10. The first user automatically administrator. Of course, Windows XP also. If you want to get less time to install, like these things, you want very less. So what you will do? Disable network. It will install very fast. So because of internet also, it try to download something from internet. So like try to update. Guys, in installation, any case like this kind of stuff, like just a moment or something Windows in bottom the dots are going on. Have you seen this error to asking choose how you will connect, because we are connected to VMnet 0. Internet is there for this machine. Okay, machine no need to be completely start. Okay, so because of internet, so it is asking these two options. Because of network, it is asking this one. Because of internet, it is asking this one. Azure is a cloud and it is a Microsoft cloud, and in that one, if you are working in an organization, so if organization people purchase Active Directory space in Azure, so you can get Active Directory linking like your company mail ID. So if you click on this one, you can enter your company mail ID and password, then you will get authenticated directly. So you don't have to be in your office. From anywhere you can able to get authenticated because of Azure Active Directory. So it works anywhere in the world. This is a local. Like if you are in an office and you have a domain controller in your premises, you want to log in with your company account, then you have to select the second one. And bottom, the next is not visible, so you have to select any of this one. Select any, but I'm selecting the second one, so no problem. So I'm selecting the second one. Okay, I will select the first one then. See, if you select anything, you will get something like Azure. This option if organization use Office 365 or other business services from the Microsoft. Your organization might collect info about you, install and remove apps, change settings and disable features, delete content or reset your device, talk to your support staff and learn. So like if your organization is a subscriber of Office 365 or business services from Microsoft, you will get an Active Directory ID and you can give that one. Okay, second. If you want to join PC to domain, we will help you to set up local account now. Then setup is finished. Join the domain as you have in the past. Okay. So these are the things. Okay. This is a privacy statement, of course. This is in case if you are an organization and you are already have a domain, you want to join in the domain, you have to select the second one. Anything is okay. I'm selecting second one. Next. But I don't want to do both the things. I don't do anything. So create an account for this PC. Now automatically it is not asking for a domain. See, that's why I select second one. First one will ask you Microsoft type. Okay, the email ID and all. I'm selecting this one. If you want to use password, like you can use the password. Otherwise, leave it. So who is going to use this PC? The first account is administrator. Remember, I use student only. Okay, I use student one. Better I use student one here. The student one is a administrator. Remember, guys. Okay, if in case when you are installing, because it's a virtual machine, I'm telling mainly. So when you are installing, you want to put first name as a student or student one, it's your wish. You want to put admin, it's your wish. No problem. Okay, you want to put your name, not at all a problem. Okay, but there is a certain practical like we have to create another account. That time, make sure you should create another account with a different name. That's it. It's a only name for a login purpose. Okay. Now, I want to give password for this one. Yeah, password I'm going to give because I have to teach password hint for that one. So that's why I'm giving password. I'm giving password is Vedic @ 123. So what password I given? See like this. So I don't want to forget the password. I given a common password like this. And I put a V. V means Vedic @ 123. I put a admin @ 123. I put a Savantis @ 123. Yes. Or maybe I'll put Vedic. So I will remember what password I given. Some password hint. Or maybe like this. My organization. My org. So then I will remember like this. If I give Vedic, maybe people may guess it. My organization, maybe people may not guess it. Okay. So to avoid the guessing and we have to give you have to guess yourself as well as if in case next day you forget your password, then what password you are given. So password hint should help you. Okay, password hint should help you to what password you are given. But if you give like this, so anybody can able to access your PC because you already given a password hint as a password. That's the problem. Okay, so I'm giving a password hint is V. So I'm using only one or two type of things. So then V is enough for me. Next, because I'm speaking and teaching each and every option, it is taking time. Okay, so for you it will take very less time, and that only this thing commonly it will take time. So what happened is so many windows. I want this window only. So I create a user and give the password and password hint. Okay, give password. If you don't want, no problem. And give password hint. If you give password, give password hint also. So then only you will understand what is the use of password hint. Next, once installation completed, if you are using a physical machine, for a physical machine, okay, for a physical PC, means laptop or desktop or anything. So you have to install drivers. Install the required drivers. Okay, once you install the drivers, okay, mm, check internet connection. Internet is working or not. Then update. Windows Defender. Okay, Windows Defender is there, or install antivirus. So install any antivirus, malwares, anti-spywares, network protection, anything. Any antivirus is a common term, not only for virus part, malwares, spywares, trojans, like anything like a Kaspersky, Nord 32, malware bytes, anything you can able to install. Yeah, I got my window. Okay, this is the one. Okay, next, install required applications. That's it. So this is the thing. So after you're in a post installation, so first create a user and then install the drivers. So after installation of drivers, network drivers also installed, right? Then check the internet connection. So update Windows Defender, install virus. Of course, you have to update Windows also. You have to update the Windows and update the Windows Defender. If you don't want to use the Defender and you have some antivirus already, so then you can install the antivirus and update the antivirus. Guys, a lot of people, whenever you call your technician, so it is virus, and he will install some antivirus and he stop updates. If you stop updates for antivirus, there is no use of antivirus. You must update the antivirus compulsory and update the Windows, install the required application. This is the thing. Okay, but here we are using VMware, so don't. Yeah, when you are answering the question about post installation step, you have to answer for actual physical PC only. But we are using VMware here. Okay. So first step of what I want to do is, okay, we are using VMware workstation. We are practicing in VMware workstation, but you should not ignore the actual facts of physical machine, right? So VMware drivers are there. So first I will install the VMware drivers. It's like a VMware tools. There is a ting ting sound is there. What is this? Okay. So first I'm going to install a VMware tools. So this is my machine. Can you see the screen length and all very small? This is a 800 into 600. So if you click display settings, okay. So advanced display settings. I went to this option, display settings. Go to advanced display settings. So this is 1024 into 768 window, small window. You can change it to 1366 into 768 like this. Apply. Oh, I got a pollen. This is window is not setting. So click on a keep revert, otherwise cancel. I put escape, so because I can't able to click on it. See, that's another pollen. We'll see. Close this one. Go to this VMware tools. Can you able to see? First we should in Windows, then select this one. Guys, can you able to see? Install Windows tools, VMware tools. Install VMware tools. I'll increase little bit font. Can you see this one? VM like this. Click here. Click on install. Just click on install. Okay, nothing is happened, right? So maybe a notification came up. DVD VMware tools. Just I'm click on this one. Okay, run setup 64.exe. Just click on this one. The setup will be run. Okay, click on yes. Click on yes. Okay, if in case you you miss that notification, no problem. Go to this PC. You can see the D drive, C drive, D drive, VMware tools. Open it, or double click on it. So best is double click on it. The setup will run. If the setup is not running, it is showing like this. Go to setup 64. Double click, then wizard will start. Okay. Now wizard is there. So next, select complete. Select complete. Second option. Select complete. Next, install. Let it install. After installation, it will asking for a reboot. Just click on a reboot. That's it. Okay. So yeah, it is installing now. So that's it is blinking. Now I got a full screen automatically. So I no need to change my display settings. Automatically I got a full screen. See, it is look like a original Windows only, right? So that's what VM. Finish. Finish. It is asking for restart. Yes. Click on yes. Let it restart. So it will take time. Let it restart. Okay. So here, Alt Control. Mm, So what is the VMware drivers are? So we have to install. Go to install. So go to VM option install VMware tools. So complete that one. That's it. What are the advantages of installing VMware tools? Not only the full screen thing, not only a full screen thing. You will get a drag and drops. Like if I want to put this file from my PC to inside of this PC, I can do it. The mouse compatibility. So always see the mouse is here. So I will show you that. What is the password I given? I forget. See V. Password in this V. So I put a Vedic at the rate 123. Got it? So that's why password hint is also important. I given a password. That's the thing. So your main account must have password is will give you more other options also. Now my PC is ready. Okay, you can see this is my Windows 10. PC is got ready. It is installed. Next. Mm, so we are using in VMware workstation. This is only for practical. Remember, guys, this is we are using only for just practice purpose only. So I don't want to get updates. Okay, I don't want in this our practical in our practical part only. So I don't want Windows updates. And also I will show you how to use a service also. Okay, so just I will show in the next part. Okay, so I don't want a Windows update, so then I want to stop Windows updates in services. Okay, how to do that one? I will show you in the next part. Now this is part completed. Okay, this part Windows installation is completed. Okay.